I'm a big fan of these Timex Weekender watches. I think they're an awesome, affordable timepiece, especially if you're just getting started or if you're looking for something that you can wear on a daily basis and not worry about getting beat up. Another great thing about these Timex pieces is that the straps can be replaced easily. It's just a 20mm strap. So pick a strap that you like and it'll probably fit. So I've had this black Weekender for a while now. I've had this gray strap on it since I got it, and I don't really like the gray strap any longer. So I ordered another 20mm leather band, and I'm going to swap them out today. I already have a leather band on my other Weekender. I really like it. It makes this very comfortable watch to wear on a daily basis, and it was a nice upgrade when I swapped out the old nylon strap that I had for the leather strap. So I'm going to do the same on this one. I'm not a professional watch guy or anything. I've just got some tools here. So I'm going to pop this band off and put the new one on. Should be pretty quick, pretty easy. By the way, I grabbed this band on Amazon. I'll put a link in the description. Pretty inexpensive and feels nice. I think it's going to look nice on the watch. So we'll see how easy it is to install. So that was pretty straightforward. This strap comes with these really convenient little quick release tabs on the back, so you can just press those to put this strap on your watch. To remove the other strap, I had to use a little tool just to remove the little bars from the back, the little spring-loaded bars. So if you've worked on watches before, probably take you less than a minute. If you've never worked on watches before, might take you 2 minutes. Anyways, strap looks really nice. I think it's a nice upgrade. Black face, brown strap. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments. Let me try it on. Take off this other Fossil watch that I have. My stepdad gave me this, actually. He saw this and said he thought of me. I thought that was nice, so I wear it sometimes. Never actually had a Fossil watch before, but I thought that was nice. Anyways, this Timex I've had for years. It's actually one of the first watches I ever bought. And like I said, it's one of my favorite things about these watches, is that you can just replace the strap when you get bored. So there you have it. Link in the description. Let me know what you think in the comments.